Canamera smelter and mill, North Omak. More video for you here. Looks like maybe ground waste rock, or maybe this was ore before they ground it. It looks like mostly white quartz. There's not much mineralization in it. You can see all the sulfur there, and big chunks of sulfur over there. Yeah, apparently somebody set some of this on fire. Who knows when, but the wood's really nice look. It's got that old bleached look. And over here, we found some ore, and pretty interesting. Looks like we weren't the only ones breaking things here. Rocks, I mean. And you can see the view here. And this is an ore of this copper staining here on the cement. And here's a little bit of our ore I want to show you right here. You can see all the metal in it. I'm assuming that's lead, and I think there's chalcopyrite. And it looks like there's I don't know what else is in there, gold, pyrite. And this is interesting over here. I'll show you guys this. Grab a nail to use. I don't want to touch this stuff. I don't know if this is I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is ground slag, or if this was some of their minerals before they fired it, when it was ground to a fine dust. That's interesting though. Just wanted to show that to you guys. See you later.